Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is questions and you being the master. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, I put to you that if you are masterful at asking your questions, if you have a burning desire to understand your client, then you're going to get more information than anybody else. You need to be asking questions that no one else has asked them. Time and time again in my office, I hear a customer say, my goodness, you're certainly asking the right questions. And I know we're going to get that business, because when you're asking questions that are different to everybody else, when you're asking questions that show you care about their business and you want to find out more, you are separating yourselves from everybody else. You are being the master. So look at your questions and ask, is every other competitor going in and asking these same questions? And if so, how can you ask them differently? How can you come in from a different angle? Because questions are the key to understanding how you can assist them. So make a list, get your colleagues to make a list if you have colleagues, and share them and think to yourself, let's really polish up on these questions, because they're the very thing that's going to open up more doors for more business. If you found this interesting, then please put a note below. If you've got a colleague that you think would find it useful, then do share. And if you'd like more top tips on different types of questions, how to grow your business fast, then subscribe below. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.